Visit to our website to download the software, that is at mssqlplanner.com, and change my folder icon, click on download. And once it downloads your software on your local machine, go to the path where it has downloaded and extract the content. Extracting is important to run the exe file successfully. Double click on exe file and ignore this message and click on run anyway. Click on yes to get the installer setup exe file and hit install now. It has installed successfully as per the message, and let us go to change and modify some folder icon. So change my folder icon is the option when you right click on the any folder, and you would get these options. You can choose any categories from our product and hit any icon that you want to change, and there you go, it has modified your icon of folder. Thank you for watching this video.